Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be gifting a few things right here for free. So there's a few things that are free right now in the item shop. You can go ahead and gift them to whoever you would like. So first of all, just go right into the item shop. In the item shop you're going to see a few things popping up. Just scroll down until you get to this part. Now you could own these or not, it doesn't matter, you can still gift them out and they are free. So first of all, we can go ahead and gift to friends. You can pick whoever doesn't have them at the moment. So here we go. We're going to send this out. Sending as a gift. And then we're going to move on to the next one and send it over as a gift. Again, these do not cost you anything. So this is different than my giveaways where the winners get to choose whatever they want from the item shop. This is just a video about free stuff that just came out. You can go ahead and gift out to any of your friends right here. So you'll be friends for at least 48 hours and you need 2FA for this type of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead, send it over as a gift. Now if you're not friends for more than 48 hours, well, you're gonna see this. Can receive gifts in 1 more day. So by tomorrow I'm gonna be able to send them gifts. But anyways, let's just click. We're gonna purchase as a gift 0 V-Bucks. Again, this is completely free. I'm gonna send it over and there we go, it's been sent over. We're gonna go to the next thing. We are gonna gift this out, gift to friends. Now remember, there is a limit of how many times you can gift in 1 day. So that's 5 times. So after you're done this, you won't be able to gift it for today at least. You're going to have to wait until tomorrow and then you can gift again. That goes out with any type of gift, whether it's a free one like these or a paid one. We're going to go ahead and gift this out as well. And here we go. So we're going to send over the gift. It's almost done sending over the gift. Perfect. Gonna go back. Gonna gift again. I'm just randomly choosing people, but right now I have no more daily gifts remaining, so I have to come back tomorrow like I mentioned before. But these are all free. If I click on them, it says 0 V-Bucks, so go ahead and gift away. Now these are 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, so you can't gift them all out, but you can gift at least 5 of them. Now, not that this actually matters for this type of gifting, but it's always good to use some type of creator code, so make sure to put that in your item shop, because I just noticed mine was gone. So there we go, that's my support creator code. You can notice that on the bottom right hand side of your screen. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.